welcome to Victoria's Secret. How can I help you today?
I'm just looking. Yeah.
Oh, okay. No worries.
Thank you. I'm just looking.
Well, if there's anything you need,
I'm just
let me know.
looking.
My name's
Thanks.
Jess.
Yeah.
All right.
Thanks. I'm just looking.
Great. Yeah, and then I was telling her, like, don't even worry about it at all. He's not worth your time. Just do you, you know. I was telling her all that, and she was just, like, not listening to me. Hi, welcome. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, sorry about that. I'm just at Victoria's Secret, and they're trying to talk to me.
Thank God we're out of here in 5 minutes. I'm so tired. My feet are killing me.
Oh, thank God I made it. Hi, welcome to Victoria's Secret.
What time do you guys close? We close at 9.
Oh, what time is it right now?
Yeah, that's in 2
Oh,
minutes.
got it. Okay, great. I have so much
If you
time.
need anything,
Thanks.
let me know. My name's Janette.
Oh, look at all these panties. It's the worst when customers are just rummaging through them. Like, we have to clean this up every single day. It's fine. It's fine. My shift is almost over. This is Janette. Yep. I'm on my way. Okay, great. Ooh, look at these. Ooh, that's cute. Ooh, look at these. Ooh, I might need one of these. Oh, this is super cute. Oh, look at these. Oh, just, oh, nice. Oh, these are so cute. Okay. Oh yeah, these ones are great. Ooh, this is really cute. Ooh. Yeah.
Hi, excuse me. Hi, do you guys have this in a size 32D?
I can definitely double check for you.
Okay, great.
Give me one
Thank
second.
you.
Super cute. I'm so sorry. It looks like we don't have that one, unfortunately.
You guys literally never have my size. Like every time I like anything, you guys never have it in my size.
Do you want me to order
No,
it
I
for
don't
you
want to
online
order
and send it to
online.
your house for
No,
free shipping?
no, thank you. I don't want to ship it to my house for free shipping. No thanks. No, it's okay. You guys literally never have my
I'm so sorry
size.
about that. I'm really
It's fine.
sorry.
Yeah, whatever.
I'm
It's just
sorry,
so
but
frustrating.
We can definitely
Okay,
order it for
yeah,
you.
whatever. Thank you.
Sorry about that.